channel. Today, oh god, wrong to slide or tab. I'm playing with my friend Probot, which is not his real name. He doesn't want me to tell his real name, so I guess I'm not. I'm just gonna call him Probot for the vid. Yep. Oh yeah. And we're not gonna really do the gummy bear quest because I've seen the last quest and I'm definitely not gonna be able to do that in 15 days.
Yeah, nobody's gonna do that.
Yeah.
That's just like.
Well, unless you have like the fire scythe or something.
Yeah, that's like
or
a
the
dream.
bubble wand.
That's like a dream.
For us right now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna get the new backpack. I was saving it for the video, and you can see. Yeah, we're not gonna do the goo, so it doesn't really matter. Can we go to the cactus field because it's
Sure,
my
I need
favorite?
to do a quest there too.
Oh yeah. Oh come on.
Just for the science bear.
Yeah, some people like mistake that is a bear for a bee sometimes by accident.
Okay.
Wait, how much is your can you
Like the banner hold?
Yeah.
150.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna. Oh my god! Why is it doing that?
Doing what?
It's like one time it like sent me to the blue flower, and then it's like just send me like 1 inch forward. It was weird. Okay.
Oh wait.
Okay, I'm gonna buy the system one. Oh yeah, I see so much stuff. Like Probot, even though I said his real name. Well, I want to see buy the jug for the video. I think
come
it's
at
the
me,
jug.
werewolf. Come at me, yo. Come at me.
Oh yeah, werewolf is easy if you use the sacred cactus or the sacred pumpkin.
Oh, it actually.
And then I also have 2 other things. See this? See this? Royal jelly and basic egg. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna use the royal jelly, one of them. Oh yeah, I remember the one behind the club container or that
Something happened to my werewolf.
club thing.
No,
Yeah, I got the royal jelly for that. Well, my friend Probot did it for me. He helped me. You need the parachute. Well,
Yeah, I got through.
we need it at least. Sure.
Now
Now that I did it.
the royal jelly from the beach.
Now that the people watching are caught up, now we can talk, okay? So 3, 2, 1, I'm gonna buy this. Did it? Okay, it's
You got
okay.
it?
Yep. Wait, how much is it supposed to originally hold?
It's supposed to hold 100.
1,000, but because of my since I did the one of the bad quests, it gave me like extra
Well,
Ooh, electromagnet!
which quest is that one?
In the badge one,
Yeah.
it's like some kind of. Wait, I was gonna check about the belt bag. Isn't it the belt bag here? I thought the belt bag was here.
Oh.
Yeah. Wait,
Hey,
how
I
much
got
is
it
it?
actually.
440,000.
Quest badge?
Oh yeah. No, wait.
Wait, huh?
Wait, I want to tell you something.
Oh,
Prina.
wow.
I gotta tell my
Dude, I got
Fan, watch
11,000
it.
more container storage.
I know, isn't it good?
Oh, I got 11,000, not 5,000.
Oh yeah. Wait, I don't. Do I have it equipped? Yeah. I got 10,000. Maybe you're in a higher quest. Maybe.
Oh, 11.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
wait.
I got even more, dude. I got 101. Dude, I basically got it. Look.
54.
I basically got the honeycomb one.
Wait, didn't you have? But it would be better to still have the honeycomb because then it will do even more increase. Yeah.
They basically got it.
Oh yeah. Wait, what was I gonna tell
Dude,
you?
I'm really happy
Wait,
now.
you kind of distracted me. I was gonna tell people something.
Yeah.
I forgot. Oh yeah, I'm also gonna save my. Wait, did this battle just hit me?
Hey, when is Helix coming from?
Oh! Helix joined, or my brother joined.
Okay, Helix is in.
Yeah, he's in the other room.
How'd you think? Oh, wait. I definitely did not say his real name.
He doesn't care. He won't care. Oh, wait, I have to fight the werewolf, guys. Oh no! Look in chat. Look in chat.
Use the sacred pumpkin.
Oh, I usually use the cactus. Wait, do you know the royal? Oh, I was telling my fans. I know you didn't know that. The royal jelly behind the pumpkin.
Yeah, I already got that.
Yeah, I'll tell them that to my fans. Okay. Oh god, kind of come. Oh no! Come back, you. I gotta kill you, wolf. Fight! Come on.
Hey, Bronny, follow me.
Wait 1 second. Can I just get this werewolf? No.
Okay, follow me now, quickly. Now.
I feel like my brother's saying no. He's saying bad things. Don't look in chat. Don't look in chat. I'm off chat. I'm off in chat.
Wait, Bronny, follow me.
Wait. Where are you?
Right here.
Oh, there you are.
Okay, follow me.
Oh Oh, the inside there, I can't get that. Have you?
Nope.
I know, I'm scared. Oh yeah, there's a golden egg inside up here.
No, no, wait. Right, now jump.
I died.
What even is that?
It's a spider.
Really?
Last time I checked, it was a spider. Wait a second, I have gummed up. Oh yeah, about the new update. I think I was gonna tell you that. These new 2Bs, I think they're legendaries. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they are. Crimson Bee, which is red type, and the Cobalt Bee, I think that's how you say it, which is blue type.
Hey, I'm just gonna do.
So we're gonna check in our bee slot.
I'm just gonna go finish this pineapple bag.
Wait, did I say your real name by accident? I might have.
Yeah, you only said once.
Is it okay? Oh, he's in a vent? Oh, we gotta save up for 250 fast.
Dude, I only have 30.
Wait, it doesn't tell. Oh, their class is event. I forgot. Like the berry was an event. His class. They have class events. Oh wait, how long is his time? Oh, the tabby bee is back.
Hey, since when?
I don't know. The tabby bee is back for 3 more days.
Hey, I'm gonna go.
Wait,
I'm gonna go to the pineapple field because I have this
Oh yeah, I got it.
So it's only.
I'm doing my real quest.
20 or so.
Oh, I need a brown bear pineapple pack. Oh yeah.
Let's go to the brown bear for
Wait, can I get my royal jelly? And I gotta hatch my egg, okay? Guys, it's time. It's time.
What you get?
Basic, but we're gonna royal jelly him. Oh, I wonder. Rascal! I wanted that guy, remember? To complete my rare collection, now I only need one more. The cool.
Oh, I already got the cool.
Oh, you do?
Do you have the commander bee?
Oh, no. That's an epic.
Oh. Wait, then how much do I need? I think I have all of them then.
Wait, I think that's an epic. You want me to check?
Wait, I have the bomber bee, the brave
Yeah, it's an
bee,
epic.
the bumblebee, the cool bee, the hasty bee, the little bee.
Which one don't you have? For the rare. It ends at Rascal.
Oh my gosh, I have all of them.
Wait, you have the Rascal Bee, Rad Bee?
The rascal bee, yeah, I have it. I have the rad bee, I have the looker bee, two of them. 2 hasty bees, 1 cool bee, 1 bumblebee, 1 brave, 2 brave bees.
Wait, no, Bumblebee is epic. Bumblebee.
No, I said bumblebee.
Oh.
And I have the bomb. I discovered the bumblebee. So I
Nice.
have all the rares.
Oh. Are you a collector also? Do you collect?
No, I just found that out right now.
Oh, are you gonna royal jelly them?
I just want to royal jelly the bumblebee. I don't really like it.
Wait, we're going to the. Oh, he's my brother. Okay, you want me to on chat again? Yeah. Okay, hopefully he doesn't say inappropriate stuff. Yo. Oh look, he's just seeing my new thing. He must think I'm you. Wait, is it okay if I see your name? His name is. Are you sure? Ranov. It's very close to my name, which is Pranay. And no, we are not brothers. We are not brothers. Like, unequaled he lacks. His name is Agitation. Wait, no! No, he's saying inappropriate things again. I don't want him to bite. Well, I think that's
Come
inappropriate.
back, I will bite you.
I know. Like, okay. I actually kind of want to know. Okay, let's go to the Oopsie, sorry, I burped. Oh yeah, there's royal jelly up there.
Where's the royal jelly?
Up the pineapple. Pineapple. I don't know.
At the pineapple? No, that's a ticket.
Oh yeah. Keep on going. Wait.
Wow, I have a lot of honey.
No, I don't think he's the invented bee. I don't
Wait,
think.
come to the Cloverfield. I'm spending a lot of honey tokens because I have the honeybee now. Yeah, so come
Oh, I have the honeybee.
really, but I'm spawning a lot.
Wait, do I have the honeybee? I don't know. You want me to check? Should I check?
Just check. My honeybee can make 1,000.
Wait, what class? Yeah, I have the honeybee. He's epic.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's definitely epic. Baby Bee is the worst legendary.
Yeah, you have 2 of those. No, Ajit.
Yeah.
That kind of sucks.
I have the Baby Bee.
I only have good stuff. And there's also Googie.
Good. I have the Lion Bee. Good doesn't. Goo's
I
only
have the
good.
Lion Bee and 2 ninjas.
Gummy Bee is actually really OP. And Goo's kind of really good.
I got 2. I have
Goo's actually really good.
Yeah,
if you didn't
gives
know.
you more honey.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I forgot this also gives you honey.
And pollen gives you honey, but not as much.
Yeah. But Goo gives you like trillions.
not even trillion. What if it actually gives you trillions?
That would just make
Too
you
OP.
OP.
Yeah.
It's like, I know this money, you're gonna make that money.
Wait, can we go to the pineapple? I don't have any quest, I think, here. Wait, I think I might.
Oh wait, I have one quest. I only have to
Oh yeah, I have one in. No, I have one in the clover. I actually do.
yeah. I
I just need 40,000 more pollen.
I only need like.
I think it's for the brown bear. Oh wait, did you finish all the golden? Which one are you in the diamond? Did you get the diamond one?
No, I only have 2 ninja bees and one lion bee. So I basically have the best ones.
Well, Lion Bee's the best at fighting. What's the actual best bee? Let me go check. I'm pretty sure it's wait, I don't know.
It doesn't go by like best. It only goes by like
Newest?
Yeah.
I thought it goes by best. I'm pretty sure it does.
No, it doesn't. Barnaby is the worst, and it's actually pretty good. But not too.
I better get working. Like, look how my tokens are like here, and I'm doing
Wow,
like
I need to
nothing.
get a lot of pine trees.
Okay, let me just. Hope you guys. Well, I'm not ending it, but whatever. I'm just saying. Hopefully, because let's do something actually. Okay, should we actually do something?
Hey, let's do some quests.
Yeah, I am doing some quests.
Well, yeah.
Let's just talk about a few things. I don't know.
Wait. Oh no, it's right there.
What would be entertaining in Beast Form actually?
Is that?
Wanna go check? I think he's coming in here. He's coming. He came. No, it's okay if he talks. He's playing, right?
Hey, I got some gun drops.
Gumdrops?
Yeah.
For defeating?
Yeah. Hey, dude.
Hey, can we
I have 160 gumdrops now.
No, we're gonna be loud. We can hear the music. Let's be louder! Let's be louder! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it now! Stop it! No, I don't want the music now. Especially now.
Wait, does this record our faces too?
No. I might do a face reveal for me. Wait, even if it did, it wouldn't record it for you. I stole your honey tokens. I'm just giving your honey tokens.
Oh, I got both of them.
No!
3, 2, 1.
Stop it! Stop it now!
JK lol. Trolls. Being have some. I also have actually some.
Oh, you want to play? We're in the club. No, my honey token. I get this honey token.
What, you for there for a quest?
Yeah.
What quest are you doing?
I like the cactus field. It's my
What
favorite.
quest are you doing?
Lucky landscaping.
Oh, I already finished that one.
What do you have to do?
100,000 from the clover.
Well, I already finished that one.
Oh, my quest
My what's your favorite? I like the one on the 20.
Adventure one.
Oh, that's the one I'm doing.
Oh, I already have 117,000.
Wait, isn't Azura Adventure
I
in?
just started it.
Which one's Azura Adventure?
It's like we only have to you can only
Is it in the Black Bear one?
Yeah.
Because I feel like I recognize that name. Maybe because I watched YouTube videos.
Oh man, I just missed my honey.
Stop doing the piano.
That's still kind of like background. I don't know.
Can you like stop being annoying?
Okay, do you wanna?
Wow.
I need to go collect some pollen from the.
What? What? Pineapple patch?
Hey, can you go find some scorpions?
Sure, I like scorpions. I like beating them up. Really like the rose field.
Okay. Hey, did you get access to the red HQ?
Red HQ?
Yeah.
No. Do you?
Nope.
Okay, I gotta tell something to Gummy Bear.
Dude, I'm
Gummy Bear, I'm not a gummy soldier anymore! I quit! Okay, there. You wanna go say that?
No, good. Wait, I'm almost done doing this clover badge for Junior.
Oh wait, I thought we were going to the scorpion.
One second.
Rose field.
Let me just finish.
You mean the rose field? Is that what you couldn't find? Okay, after the
I'm
vid,
almost done. I only have to collect 10,000 more.
you want to do the vid for 15 more minutes, then it will be a 30-minute vid.
Sure.
I'm pretty sure.
Please do your
15
thing.
minutes is actually a long time. Okay, how much longer do you want to stay in the clover field?
Until I finish this quest, I only have to collect 81,000. That's actually
8,000? Oh, that's not a lot. I need to collect 20,000. Wait, that's mine?
Those are yours?
Yeah, they're mine. They're hurting me. They're following me. Yeah. Wait a second. There's some white pollen. Who has the white pollen? I thought ladybugs make red and minor beetles make blue.
Oh, my God.
Don't they? Who makes the white pollen? Spiders are like gods of white pollen.
I don't know which bee, but it has that token like one of my bees.
Yeah, and glass.
Oh, it's not. You have that?
I really like the token link. Except the only bad part, it doesn't
Especially when you have
collect
like
the...
100 like tokens a second.
You mean ability tokens?
The only bad part, it doesn't collect honey tokens.
This is like
Mine does.
I got that one. How much does your honey token give you? It gives me 100. I was one time it gave me 2,000.
sure.
Huh? What? Do you not believe me? Why? It actually did. But it wasn't on camera. No! You're evil!
You did not.
Oh, I did. They're all yours, probably. I just need 10,000 more. Can you like stop?
3, 4, 3, 4. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
My honey token.
2, 2, 4.
My baby. My baby's love.
Hey, we got some goo coming on us.
Oh, we do? Okay, I'm gonna go get it.
Hey, I finished it.
Oh, you did? But can I have 6,000 more? 6,000?
Boom. I got.
Can you wait for me 6,000 more? Please. Just 6,000. And now
Let
5,000.
me just Okay,
Just
never
now
mind.
5,000.
Let's go. I'm gonna.
Oh, now 4,000.
I'm gonna collect some.
I'm collecting it fast. You want to collect some glue?
Yeah.
Oh, they also make honey tokens really fast.
Oh gosh, I have a ladybug on it.
You do?
It always kills it.
Oh, I'm almost done with this. I'm just gonna stay here even if I finish the quest. Oh, can I also talk to the black bear? Oh, did you get your tickets from the
Yeah, I got 5.
that means it's Junior?
Yeah.
Pretty sure. Oh, still. I'm gonna stay here for the. Okay, I'm still.
Okay, I'm gonna do a pineapple badge too.
You wanna go to the pineapple field? I need that also. I need a pineapple. Okay. Okay.
Hey, there's also pineapple patch.
Goo.
Yeah.
Wow, perfect. You wanna go there?
Sure. Wait, are you done?
No! Why is it always spawning me there? Did you get there?
Wait, 1 sec. I'm not.
Come on, I'm not gonna double tap. You're going to double tap me. So it automatically goes there.
Yeah.
Double click on it. Yeah, double tap. But I'm just gonna hit it one time.
Hashtag ban skills.
Yeah, one time is way better. Yeah, I'm never gonna do that ever again. Oh, I hate mantises.
How does that work?
Just hold click. Do you hold click when you're doing this?
No.
I do. I usually. Oh, your mantis is almost dead. My mantis is nowhere near dead because my bees are doing nothing.
Oh, I finished it.
Already?
Yeah, I killed it.
Oh, I thought you meant like.
Wow, you're dead almost. I wish I could help you. Wait, actually,
No, you can. I don't know why. I didn't know. It was
on honey
confusing.
token.
It's confusing which one's mine. Oh god, I gotta stretch my legs out a little.
Honey token.
Can you like not steal my honey tokens? They're not yours.
Everybody's.
I wish people can't steal your honey tokens. They're not one. Unless it's like honey storm. Oh yes, I took it. Did you not see that honey token? Oh, honey token.
Dang it. Whatever. I'll be nice to you and give you.
Now you can have the next ones. Okay. Hey, you want me to go submit the Black Bear quest?
Which one is it?
It's the Lucky Landscaping.
Are you singing with dance style?
How many battle points do I have? Okay. 1,414. 1,414. Not 1,414. You math.
7,000 more. Till I finish this pack. We don't want to get the size.
It's 3.5 million.
I might actually get a gold egg.
Why?
Because I already got, oh my gosh. I have 47
I'm saving up.
47 tickets.
I want to save up for
The Phantom.
Crimson. I mean 250. Nice job. Do you feel any luckier? 3 more quests and I'll give you a royal jelly. 15 more quests and I'll give you my diamond egg.
Huh? From your quest?
15. Blue bees are
Oh,
calm.
you said 2 more
Calm,
quests,
cool,
not
and collected.
Yeah,
If you discover 4 types of blue bees, you can enter the clubhouse. And there, inside you'll find a portal that teleports you to yours truly. I know that. The next lesson's specifically for your blue bees. 150,000 blue pollen?
Yeah, I only collected like,
Oh, I'm in Azure Adventure.
I only collected 126,000.
It's actually a lot for the entire quest. Seeing how much there is. Oh god, I got. Okay, let me get that honey token. I mean, not the honey token, the speed boost. I have 2 types.
I think I finished it. Yeah, I finished it.
What? Azure Adventure?
No, the pineapple.
Where do you want to go next? Can we go to a blue field?
Sure, I'm going to the bamboo one.
On bamboo? Bamboo field, yay. Okay, I'm gonna stay here because I'll get lots of blue. Oh god, there's white and so much white. There's also lots of white, though.
For Spiderville, it's just right.
Yeah, so if you want white, you want to go there.
Yeah, that's what I always do.
I know. I wish some of them were like all blue and some all red. That's why white's so easy. If all red dandelion has lots of white, but not all.
Whoa, it's right.
Like I told you, spiders are like the god of making white flowers, aren't they? A minor beetle.
Yeah, I also have a.
Wait, what about werewolf? What is he good at?
He only defends.
He only defends?
Yeah. Doesn't
Oh, Mantis has white, right? Mantis is white.
Mantis is
Yeah, Mantis. I think werewolf is like all. Yeah, werewolf is all. He defends pumpkin and the cactus, right?
That's because he's really strong.
Yeah, he's really strong. But except it's easier to defeat him because there's a trick.
Yeah. The secret.
Pumpkin or cactus. Oh look, there's a Black Panther. There's Black Panther.
Where?
Look. But this guy's not as good as us though. But it's okay.
Yeah.
How much is I gotta check my resume. I only collected 11,000 poems. Ooh. Can we go to a different blue field? That's really cool and that has a way more high tier. Oh yeah, do you know my favorite one is probably gonna be the one all the way at the 25 area.
That has no defending.
Yeah, but it also has all high tier. All of it, I'm pretty sure, is highest tier. Like this one right here. The high tier is only in the 5 area. and beyond. It's not in the leisure area. Leisure
What
area.
instrument do you want next?
Flute?
You guys have flutes. You guys have-
Hey, I just want to collect some pollen now. I don't like care. Can we go to the pumpkin and the cactus one then?
Oh, I also have quest there too.
Oh yeah, I do also. Pumpkin pie for the polar bear.
I never got that one. How much? No, I only have one. How much do you
That's the first. I have 0.
Wait, let me just finish this thing.
How much more? I hate the one that is Pacific color. I mean not Pacific, specific color. Not
Yeah, those ones I hate, especially like the red ones.
It's easy to do like specific
Like white ones.
No, I mean like specific field or patch. Unless you can't access to it. Wait, what's the 25 one called?
That's called the lime.
Huh?
That's called the lime.
Really?
Yeah, that's
So what if you have to collect from there?
nobody.
People actually have it. Lots of people do. I'm
You
so
wanna kill
close.
some scorpions?
Yeah, I like scorpions. They're easy to kill.
Wait, let me
There's
just.
a trick to defeating them also. I guess I'll show you guys it, okay guys? I'll show you guys it. When you forget where you're actually doing a YouTube video. When you have a friend. Oh, I'm gonna go defeat this spider. Some extra battle points. Can I defeat the spider, Pranav?
I'm just gonna do.
If anyone needs glue from the power.
Oh, I'm almost killing it. Yeah,
Yeah. I just kill it on the way. And sometimes if it takes a little too long. Oh yeah! I'm doing this on the way. Look at this. Look at this. I don't even. Oh, I'm higher than you in the. Oh! You got some goo here. Got some goo. Can we collect the goo?
sure. I need to.
I wish I got the gummy bee. It's OP!
What does it do? It just gives you gummy gold, right?
No, like there's this token that like pretty much does almost like all of the field, I'm pretty sure.
Token.
I got it. I think the more higher tier patch or field you're in.
With Azure Adventure, oh my gosh, 6,000 more.
Really?
Oh my god, what the? Dude. Right now, I am so happy right now. I thought I'd never finish this one.
Really? Okay, you want to go to the scorpions? Or do you want to finish that quest?
Oh my gosh.
How much more?
3,000.
That's not a lot.
It's really less.
Oh yeah, collect here, collect here. Collect right here. If you want. Collect there. No, like this way. Yeah. Or you can collect here for... Oh, collect right here. You get like all high tier. Collect right there. You get all high tier. Just stand there.
Oh my gosh, only 1,000 more. Oh my gosh,
You said only 1 more thousand.
Dude, almost done.
Hey, you want like...
Almost done. Oh my gosh, oh, finished it.
This was kind of a pretty successful video.
Dude, I finished it.
So far, this is being a good... It's being a successful video.
Oh, I also have a quest at what's it called? I'm gonna go ahead and just. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it. I mean the. Dude, I am so happy. I finished it.
Yeah, we both finished a quest and I got a new backpack. So it's been a pretty successful video. You want to end it here? Or do you want to do a little more?
Let's end it.
Yeah, we can do some off-camera stuff because this is one of those games where you do off-camera, right?
Yeah.
Because sometimes it takes...
100,000, yo, let's go.
100,000.
honey.
Let's look how much the King Beetle give you. Let's convert all our pollen and then end the
Oh,
video.
only white plant.
Let's convert it all.
Pineapple. Oh no! Not 80,000 red pollen. 80,000 from the pineapple patch. Okay, that's not that bad actually.
From the red pollen? From the pineapple patch?
No,
Oh, because there's like no red pollen there.
there's only white.
And blue. Because of the rhino beetle. So let's convert our what's it called? Pollen. Convert your pollen, then we'll end the video.
Let me just okay, sure, let's go.
Convert your pollen first, though.
I'm gonna go finish this one called Strawberry Skewers and get some.
Wait, no, convert your pollen. Remember?
I know.
We can,
I know.
because we gotta end the video first.
Yeah, I know. Okay, I'm making some honey.
Making honey?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have way more pollen than me. You had 90,000. Okay, let's just wait here. Now we wait. I don't know, laptop seems like to be almost fully charged. Doesn't really take a long time.
My honeybee can actually only make 900 honey
That's actually
at a time.
a lot.
See? Look.
How much do you usually make? That's normal.
Look, see?
Is it because you have more yeah, it's because you have more science.
Yeah.
And
They're actually pretty helpful.
yeah, look at mine though. Yours is what? Yeah, you have like more pollen and I started and see, look, you're still like beating me. Yeah, so see, science fair actually helps a lot. You're like 4 more than me.
Oh, I'm actually almost done.
It's gonna be a long time since I do another video with you.
Okay, I'm done.
You're done, wait for me.
Okay, I'm done.
We're gonna meet up at the cactus field.
Yeah, I'll see you there.
Because cactus is my favorite field.
I'm actually gonna
Actually,
go
no, don't go to the cactus field.
I'm gonna go actually kill some scorpions.
No, don't, because we gotta end the video. Remember? But just wait for me right there. Like on that. Yes, stand still.
Hey,
Just got 18,000 more.
hey, agitation's on. Right?
Yeah? Being AFK. Oh, you're doing like some AFK grinding? Wait, tell me guys.
Wanna play? Wait, are you guys recording?
No, we're about it. I'm gonna finish dealing with this pollen, and then we're gonna end the video.
I kind of wish we could like switch. I could just quickly do like my pollen, like the honey enchantment for mine.
Oh, you wanna do a video where we switch?
Switch?
Like we're gonna do this little switcheroo. I'm gonna do your account, and then you're gonna do my account.
Sure, let's do it right now.
No, not now. We're just doing a video right now. It's just an ordinary beast form one. Come on, guys. Okay, there. Okay.
Actually, let's do it after 5. Let's do it after 3 hours.
No, we can't do one today. We're doing another one tomorrow. I do it every weekend. I forget to upload them. Okay, let's guys. We gotta stand in a cool place. Okay, come on. Come straight.
Okay.
Guys, hope you wanna do it? Since it's your first video.
Okay, thanks guys for watching this video. Special thanks to Penguin Face right here.
Pranay.
Yeah, Pranay. It's like,
And thanks for Probot, real name, Prano, for joining me on this video today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the bell and make sure to like and subscribe.